The rabbit laughed and agreed.
The rabbit laughed and
Agreed.
agreed.
The race began.
The race began.
दौड़ का ये
शुरू
शुरू हुआ. Now the rabbit ran very fast.
The rabbit
Ran
ran very fast
and soon
and soon
was far ahead. Was far ahead. एकदम आगे of the tortoise.
rabbit.
Rabbit was far ahead of the tortoise.
Okay.
Was far ahead
Was far
ahead
ahead
of the tortoise.
of the tortoise.
He thought
He thought
the tortoise is so slow.
the tortoise
Is
is so slow.
slow. I can rest for some time.
I can rest
Rest for some time.
first for some time.
So he lay down
So he lay down
under a tree
under the tree
and fell asleep.
and fell asleep.
Understood?
Yes.
What?
What's उन्होंने सो गया.
He said, "Arey, tortoise is so slow.
Yes.
He's coming so slow. I have reached far ahead, so I can rest for some time." And
Okay.
so he went under a tree and he went to sleep.
बोलो बोलो हिंदी में क्या है उसका मतलब?
हिंदी में वो धीरे आ रहे तब तक ले वो सो गया. Right?
हाँ. तो वो बोला मैं थोड़ा देर रेस्ट कर सकता हूँ, वो तो इतना धीरे
रेस्ट कर रहा था वो.
So the tortoise did not stop. The tortoise
The tortoise
did not stop.
did not stop.
He walked slowly, step by step.
He
Walked
walked slowly,
step by step
step by step,
without resting.
without resting.
After some time,
After some time,
the rabbit woke up.
the rabbit woke up.
Utha. He saw the tortoise
He saw the tortoise
was near the finish line.
was
Near the finish line. Finish करने वाला line पे था वो. Tortoise, yes, he was sleeping here. Tortoise went slowly, and he reached the finish line. The rabbit ran as fast as he could. The rabbit
The rabbit
ran
ran
as fast as he
as
could,
fast as he could,
but it was too late.
but
It was
it was too
too
late.
late. The tortoise reached the finish line.
The tortoise
Tortoise reached
reached
the finish line
the finish line
first
first
and won the race.
and won the race.
won, जीता. तो इसका एक लेसन है उसमें. ये पूरे कहानी में एक इसका एक सीख है. वो सीख क्या है मालूम है तुमको?
शेख वो सो गया तो हार गया.
नेक्स्ट, स्लो एंड स्टेडी विंस द रेस. सो धीरे है तो भी हम अटल है हमारे काम के लिए तो जीत जाएगा. तुम्हें लगता है मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आता है, लेकिन तुम लगे रहो तो तुम जीत जाएगा. तो स्लो एंड स्टेडी, बोलो.
Slow and
स्टेडी
steady
विंस द रेस.
wins the race.
Okay, so understood the story?
Yes.
So you will take time, I know, 2-3 days, 3-4 days, 1 week. Okay, you will study.
Okay.
So
So
Papu is up for the challenge. He is going to study this and narrate it to us shortly. We'll wait for it. Bye.
Bye.